Hi, I'm Valentina Bonatti, founder at Living La Bella Vita and author of the book Powerful Change: 12 Steps to Relight Your Inner Fire. So in this short video, I would like to share with you the reason why you're still stuck in your 9 to 5 job, where what you really would like to do is to open your own business that will allow you to have that freedom of choices and balance in life that you are looking forward. So what's happened is that when we are stuck, we are like stuck in a fork in a road. Okay, so I made this little draw, and so we here, when we stuck, we tend to take the road that is more familiar, and because we keep making the same decision, we keep making the same choices, and therefore we keep having the same results. And we're taking the most familiar because we know what's going on. We know already what is going to happen because we are too scared to take the other road. But because we know what's going to happen, the future is just a repetition of the past, is a replica of the past. And so we keep having the same result. So we keep coming back at the same point. So that's the reason why we're stuck. Because same road, same decision, same action, same result, and we're back again in the same loop, in the same starting point. What we really would like to do is to take the other road, the new one that we never walked before, the new path that we never been there before. But we don't do it because we're scared. We're scared of making the wrong choice, the wrong decision, and who knows what's going to happen. And then everyone start to say, to give us the advice, no, you're doing that wrong. Well, what are you doing? So that's why we're stuck here. But what we really would like to do is to go on the other side. And because we're stuck, we keep looping, we became then disconnect from a sense of purpose and from a sense of direction. And this disconnection, it give us unclarity. So we start to don't understand what's going on, don't understand what we want to do, don't understand what we are supposed to do, and all of this kind of stuff. And this lack of clarity then result in a symptom of procrastination and self-sabotage. So we don't understand what's going on. Our mind is unclear, and so we procrastinate. We basically stagnate at the same point over and over, and it's like we don't know what to do. And because of this, we then lack of self-esteem, self-belief, and self-confidence. And the more we stay in the same spot, the more we experience self-belief, lack of self-beliefs, and self-confidence, and over. So for some of us, this symptom, the experience, is start to be too much now, and they start to think that there is something wrong with them. But let me tell you, there's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with any one of us. These are symptoms that we all experienced in the past. The important thing is to become aware of it and make the changes, make different action, make different choices, and therefore having different results. So if you are interested in walking the new road, the new path, something that you never done it before, and you are scared to do it, you need a support, and you're looking forward to have different results in your life, and perhaps to increase your confidence and your clarity on what to do in this 2015 and what to do next, either in your career or in relationship or in life itself, then apply now for the free discovery session. But getting quick, because we only made available 3 spots, and usually those spots are filling very fast because this is a really hot topic. And no matter where you are in your life right now, there is always something that you and everybody else is not quite clear on what's the next step to do. So apply now for this discovery session. if you're really serious to work on the new path. And I'm Valentina Bonatti from Living La Bella Vita, and I see you on the other hand, and I ciao for now.